Here's how to create multiple Gmail accounts without phone number. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch till the very end so you won't miss any of the steps. First, you will need to go to your Chrome browser. Now here you have to search for the Gmail sign up option and you have to click on the third link. Once you click on this link, now it will take you to this page. Here I'm gonna select to manage my business option. Once you click on this, now here it will redirect you to this page. Here you have to click on the add account to device option at the bottom. Now it will take you to this page here. Wait for the loading process, and once it is done, now you have to click on the create account option at the bottom, and here I'm gonna select to manage my business option. After that, here you have to enter first name and your last name. Then click on the next button. Now it will take you to this page. Here you have to enter your date of birth and then you have to select your gender, and after that you have to click on the next option. Then here you have to enter your username that you want to keep and then click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, then it will take you to this page. Here you have to enter your password. Then again click on the next button, and after that you will see this page. Here you have to scroll down and go to the option skip. Here you can skip the add phone number option, but remember your Gmail account is more secure if you add your phone number. Once you click on the skip button, now as you can see at this page, my account has been created. So in this way you can create your account as well. So this was how you can create multiple Gmail accounts without phone number.